everybody. We're doing another video today. Today's gonna be Subway Surfers Play. Now, I actually think about this channel that it's gonna be a gaming channel instead of like an actual plush and gaming channel. I might do plush videos every now and then. I might not. But, and as you know, I'm actually recording outside right now in a park. Alright. So, yeah, I'm just gonna play some Subway Surfers, talk a bit about the channel. So, over the time, I've decided that it might be a gaming channel. Well, it might actually even turn into a vlog channel. God knows. I might make like vlog type videos. I mean, I'm not gonna become the next Jake Paul or some shit like that, but you know what I mean? It's gonna be some vlogs maybe. God knows what this channel's gonna become. It's not really much of a not a lot of people really know about it. I mean, I do have over 1,000 views in total, but still, it's not really much of a big thing yet. I might make this an all gaming channel. I might make this, because to be honest with you, I don't really like making a lot of plush videos. I like making gaming videos because I love games for the most part. I find them very fun, and I know a lot of other people do too. And I just like making gaming videos. Plush videos is what really inspired me to do the channel in the first place. I seen this YouTuber called Super Mario Logan, and I really laughed when I saw his videos, and I decided to make videos too. And well, yeah, that's pretty much what happened. So yeah, I might make a gaming channel. There's somebody right next to me. This is very uncomfortable. But yeah, I might make this a gaming channel. I don't even know at this point. I don't know if you guys want to hear that, but it's just a bunch of kids playing right now. Just trying to have some peace here. And when I was saying park, I meant school. Yeah, I'm near the playground. That's Subway Surfers. Yes. Just talking to somebody. Anyways, but yeah. That's pretty much the future of the channel. What I have to say. I bet these kids don't even know that they're being recorded. But, yeah. I really like gaming videos, and oh my fucking god, what was that? Did you hear that? A little girl was screaming her ass off. Oh god, okay. But yeah. It's like when you call somebody really close to each other, like when like you're calling somebody but they're like right next to you, it makes that awful screeching sound. But anyways, doesn't matter. I'm gonna make some more Fortnite videos. When I was doing that broadcast, well, that guy I was talking to, he's actually one of my friends. Well, we play Fortnite a lot together. He was actually the guy who suggested me to play that, to do those Hungry Shark live videos, or those Hungry Shark World videos, whatever. Don't know if anybody liked those. But yeah. I feel like I'm taking this channel as it's something big, but to be honest with you, I only have like 15 subscribers. So that's not even big at all. Oh wait, I just realized. I got new missions. Anyways, but yeah, that's pretty much that. I did try to break my record here. That next achievement's gonna pretty much take 2 days because it's completing 2 word hunts, and that's like extremely hard to do.
Don't worry, I won't tell you.
Subway Surfers.
Right there, go over there. Yeah, go right there. She's it. What?
So sorry you guys have to hear that. That was just one of my friends. I'm not gonna really be playing a lot in school, or at least recording a lot in here. So if you guys don't like all this fucking screaming, then don't worry, because I'm not gonna really make this. The wind is also blowing, and that's probably making this video hard and painful to watch. And if it is, then don't worry, because I'm probably not gonna make another video here. Yeah, I'm definitely not making another video here, so don't worry. If you don't like this environment that I'm playing in right now, then you don't have to worry about that, because this is just for a limited time. I just decided to make a video for you guys, and it's kind of impatient, so I decided to make one here. I don't even think phones are allowed in school, so yeah. Yeah. I guess that kind of wraps up the channel part. I might make this a gaming channel. I might make a plush video actually, but even if I do stick to plush and gaming, it's gonna be way more gaming than plush. Like, it's gonna be 10% plush videos and 90% gaming. But if you guys like plush videos, like if I start to get a bigger audience and that audience likes seeing plush videos, I'll make plush videos. But I'm probably not gonna go away from gaming anytime soon, because I love games. And really, who else does it? Yeah. On the topic of Subway Surfers, I might make a few videos on this game. It's really cool. Oh yeah. Also, I'm not recording this on my tablet, which is the device I usually record on. I usually record on a tablet. This is being recorded on my Galaxy A8, the new phone I got. I'm gonna be making from now on probably like all my videos on here. I might make a few on the tablet, maybe because of the games that I have on the tablet. Definitely gonna make a few, mostly Fortnite videos on the PS4. And yeah, I've been trying to beat this guy for so long. But yeah, that pretty much wraps up. If the bell rings, then I guess I'll go and end the video, but hey, how do you guys like my Subway Surfers skills, eh? Pretty good skills. And even if the bell doesn't ring for us to go inside, my hands are like fucking freezing. I didn't even get gloves, and even if I were to get gloves, how the fuck would I play with gloves in this kind of weather? Super sneakers can sometimes get you in some deep shit that you don't want. It's a fun power-up, but it's not always useful, and sometimes can get you in danger. Those are just my thoughts on the power-up. Still have about like 4 minutes. 5. But if the teacher calls me, then can't really do much about that. But don't worry, I'm not gonna really be making more videos in here, out here, I should say. Ah, shit. So I'm gonna pause the video because I don't want you to see. Alright, we're back. Thankfully, nothing happened. There was a teacher that was actually really close to me, and I was very fucking scared. She's left now. Oh! Yeah. The recess bell might ring anytime now. I don't even like the school at all. Fucking prison. And no, I'm not telling you the school I'm going to or I am at right now. So don't even try commenting that because I'm not. I'm not telling you. Ooh, got a key. I could use that. But I'm so close to beating this guy's record. I hope I can. Yes, I got the pogo stick. Whatever. Oh, shit. Oh! Have that key for a reason. Alright, well. Although the recess bell didn't ring, I guess I'm gonna end the video here. Not really much else for me to say, and look, it just rang. Alright guys, see you next time, and I'll see you later. Yeah, I'll just see you later. Bye.